This is somewhat of an unboxing video of my latest equipment, the affordable Godox SL-60 continuous LED light. The light comes with a few accessories, a cover with a hole in the center. I believe this can also be used for a pinhole light modifier to create a beam of light, or if you want to try out a noir look. It also comes with a silver reflector, a long power cord which I am super grateful for. It also comes with a remote to power the intensity of the light. It does have a color temperature control that doesn't actually work with the LS60, but I believe the remote is just an overall universal remote for their line of lights. The remote has a group and channel control if you have multiple lights on set you want to control using just one single remote. If you can't find your remote, you can also control your light using the bright LCD display on the back of the LS60. The power switch and the dials are nicely designed and are placed in a comfortable position in relation to the LCD display, and the grip and feel of it is great. The overall build of the light is made from plastic, and it feels quite sturdy, but I would not test the durability if it falls. It's worth the purchase if you're looking for a low budget, affordable light for under $150 with a decent quality of light. I will add additional information about the light in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.